Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, Mehndi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us, as what we are picking up now as per the sources is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Ministers of the BJP government, while the Chief Ministers and the Deputy Chief Ministers of the NDA ruled states will participate in the swearing in. With that, in fact, several industrialists and the film stars, cricket players and saints and diplomats are also expected to join the, in fact, oath ceremony. As per the sources, Vinod Tawade, Tarun Chugh, Virendra Sachdeva and other officials are expected to go to Ramlila Maidan today at 11 a.m. to take the stock of the preparations. The final rehearsals for the oath-taking ceremony at the Ramlila ground is scheduled for 8 a.m. For 11 a.m. And according to recent updates, the BJP MLAs will meet on 19th of February to elect the new Delhi Chief Minister, and the oath-taking ceremony will be held on 20th February at 4:30 p.m. All right, Mehndi, as in fact 3 stages are being told to be built at Ramlila Maidan, where the rehearsals are expected to be held today at 11 a.m. for the oath-taking ceremony. What are you picking up? What all is being prepared? How exactly the rehearsals are being done? Share more details.
Well, indeed, Simran, the preparations are underway at the Ramlila ground right now, because on 20th of February at 4:30 p.m. the oath-taking ceremony will take place, and today the senior leaders, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, Tarun Chugh and Vinod Tawade will also reach Ramlila ground at 11 a.m. To witness the preparations as well, because as BJP win with a historic majority in the national capital after 27 years, so this will be a very mega event that will be organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So yes, Virendra Sachdeva and Tarun Chugh are also appointed as the caretakers for the voting ceremony, and they are responsible for this particular event as well. And talking about the guests, then yes, BJP will be inviting all the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the NDA government, and also the CMs and the deputy CMs of the BJP ruled states. And not only this, Simran, also to witness this BJP's big victory in the national capital, BJP will also be inviting the cricket players, the Bollywood stars, and the sadhu sons, and also the big industrialists for this mega event that is set to happen in Ramlila ground at 20th of February, and the preparations are undergoing right now. And as per the sources to Newslex, we are getting to know that there will be 3 stages that will be made in the Ramlila ground, and also around 100 to 150 seating will be managed on the stage. But for the normal people, for the common people of the Delhi, there will be arrangement of around 30 to 40,000 seats in the Ramlila Maidan to witness this big win of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. As per the sources, in fact, what we are learning, 3 stages have been planned to be built in Ramlila Maidan for the swearing-in ceremony. About 100 to 150 chairs will be placed on one stage. About 30,000 chairs will be arranged for the general public. In the 3 stages, the 3 demarcations have been planned to in fact be constructed for the swearing-in ceremony, while at the big stage, PM Modi, Narendra Modi will be with the LG, VK Saxena and other Delhi ministers, including the top chief minister of the national capital, while on the second munch, many devotees and saints will be present, in which the names of Baba Ramdev, Swami Chindanand, Dhirendra Shastri, Avideshanand are there. And in the third stage, there will be many central and the union ministers, cabinet ministers will be there, including with the senior dignitaries of the RSS, including many industrialists as well. All right, Mehndi, quickly, in fact, give us a detailed narration of what exactly is going to be ahead of this planning, as 20th February, just a day left for the swearing-in ceremony, and in just short 24 hours, we will also likely be able to know who will be the Chief Minister of the national capital.
Well, indeed, Simran, just today left for the big day for the Bharatiya Janata Party and also the national capital because Delhi will be getting their new chief minister after BJP's win after 27 years. So yes, the preparations are underway right now in the Ramlila ground, and as per the sources, big VVIP guests will be invited to witness this big win, and also these three stages will be made, and we can say that right now under construction at the Ramlila Maidan because it's just a day left for the big day on 20th February. So yes, as per the VVIP list that will be getting in in short while. So one stage will be occupied by the Prime Minister, by the LG, and also the newly appointed Chief Minister. But apart from that, the two stages will also be constructed for all the VVIP guests. So on one stage, there is a possibility of all the cabinet ministers and also the NDA, the CMs and the deputy CMs of BJP ruled states to be seated and to be, witness this big event. We can say the oath ceremony. And on the third stage, the, sadhu sons, the industrialists, and also the Bollywood stars, the cricket stars that will be invited by the BJP for this oath ceremony will be seated. And apart from these big stages, Simran, there will also be arrangement for the delights to come at the oath ceremony to witness their chief minister taking the oath, to witness their cabinet ministers taking the 40,000 chairs arranged for the delight in the Ramlila ground as well. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, thank you very much for sharing all these details and giving us more information. Now, from there, let's shift our focus to other developments. Paramjeet Singh Pamma, a terrorist